Are you looking for info about Salt Lake City home window installation? Well, you're in the right place. Installing new windows can significantly enhance your home's aesthetics and efficiency. Let's explore everything you must know. Many homeowners make mistakes during the installation process. Misjudging costs is common. Without understanding new window costs in Salt Lake City, budgets can easily spiral out of control. Another major pitfall is attempting DIY installation. And while it may seem cost-effective, professional installation can save you time and future headaches. Lastly, failing to get multiple home window replacement quotes can restrict your options and drive costs up. Always compare a few quotes to find the best deal. Let's start with a big question. What cost should I expect for new windows in Salt Lake City? Tell us about your preferences, and we can provide a tailored estimate. Another popular question is, what types of windows should I choose? Depending on your home style and energy needs, our experts can recommend the best options for you. Ready to transform your home? Call us now for a free quote for new windows at 385-300-0903 or visit us at windowsforhomes.com/home windows.